Watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
And here's a live view of our Boatworks Sky Cam right on Lake Macatawa, the southeast end of it. That is Collins Park, and just another splendid day out there. You look at that Sky Cam, you're thinking, no way could this be January. There isn't even a hint of snow out there. Not even the parking lots where sometimes you can have these big thaws and still have the big snowbanks left over. That is not the case, and this has just been a remarkable winter. I have a whole sheet of facts out there that I'm going to blog about for this afternoon. See, Bill's not the only one that does blogs. I occasionally do as well, and I'll also talk more about how interesting this winter has been coming up at 5 and 6 tonight. One of the aspects of an interesting winter we've had is the lack of snow. I just learned this yesterday. To date, this is the least amount of snow that we've ever had so far for this winter or any winter season. Okay, this is what's going on. Here's a close-in view, of course, with sunny skies out there, which you just saw on the sky cam. There's not much going on, but off to our northwest, right around Montana, you can start to see some Arctic air and some moisture out there, and a system right along the Gulf of Mexico. These two will converge across the Great Lakes, it looks like, on Thursday. This one's going to bring the cold, and this one's going to bring the majority of the moisture. What that will spell will first be rain on Wednesday night, and then eventually snow on Thursday and Friday. Let's take a look at temperatures right now, and yet again, another mild one out there. 42 already at the noon hour at Grand Rapids, 7-mile-an-hour wind, which is much lighter than yesterday. 45 in downtown Kalamazoo, and 45 in the Holland location. Who knows? There could be a couple upper 40s out there before the day is over. Here's some other area temperatures statewide. A weak cold front moving to northern parts of the state, but really not having much of an impact. Everybody at the noon hour here in the state above the freezing mark. Visible satellite, you can see, well, if you're in the eastern UP, Sault Ste. Marie, and also Ontario, Canada, that's where the clouds are, and also snow. Here's that weak cold front, but it is not going to make it down in the southern lower Michigan. We'll enjoy sunny to mostly sunny skies today. Wind speed out there much lighter, and overall it's going to stay underneath 10 or under 10 miles an hour out of the south for the remainder of the day. 24-hour forecast even at 6 o'clock after a beautiful sunset, which will occur at 5:27. At least in the Grand Rapids area, we're looking at mid-40 temperatures. By midnight time frame, we're going to slip into mid-30s. Gorgeous evening out there, and it looks as if temperatures will bottom out right around 30 degrees by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, greeted with a great-looking sunrise. Just getting spoiled if you like these mild temperatures and all the sunshine. And then on noon hour, right around the 40s, once again, very similar to what we have today. But I think after that, we'll see increasing clouds out of the south, and that will be the first signs of the storm system heading in our direction. Here's a check of that Storm Team 8-day forecast. And tomorrow, similar temperatures, maybe even a couple degrees warmer, which, you know, you combine these 2 days, we're looking at 15 to 20 degree above average high temperatures. Remarkable. And then Thursday and Friday, here comes the changes. At this point, Thursday looks like a 1 to 3 inch snowfall, and we'll see an additional accumulations as lake effect kicks in on Friday. So Thursday, Friday, I would say 2 to 6 inches. We'll narrow that down. But I think most of us are going to be shoveling.
Yep.
And that we haven't done much of so far this winter. We've done it twice.
Amazing.
And you probably haven't done it at all.
No, I have. I got the snowblower and everything last time. It was great.
Really?
Yeah. All that snow.
Yeah, I was going to say.